Hi, and thank you very much for your purchase of our Keto Diet Reference Guide. Whether you're new to keto or are a seasoned pro, we're confident that our refrigerator flip chart will help you save time and make your health journey easier. We've put together some tips and tricks to help you make the most of your Willa Ketogenic Nutrition Guide. The guide you've purchased has 192 different food items, but as a special bonus, be sure to download our PDF with an additional 308 food items. Make sure to visit willaflair.com/keto-download to get your free 500-item food list. Don't forget that eating too many carbs or too much protein can knock your body out of a state of ketosis. That means you need to avoid lean cuts of meat and opt to eat mostly non-root vegetables. Are you super strict in your approach to keto, or is dirty keto more your speed? Our guide labels foods as either best, better, good, or avoid. We modeled this ranking system using stringent keto standards, so keep this in mind when using our guide. We'd like to thank you again for purchasing our Keto Nutrition Guide. Good luck on your keto journey. Please reach out to us if you have any questions.